Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you will have just have seen from the intro, we are on the brand new Honda CB300. Look at it. Oh. At the end of the video I will put all of the stats up on it, because honestly I don't know anything about it. This is a first ride review, but I'll be honest, the only reason I have it is because the Africa Twin is in for a service and this is the loan bike. So oh my god, that is high. Let's have a look at this then. It's only done 200 miles. Oh my god, this is funny. Oh, the clutch is very far out. Oh wow, initially it is a very small feeling bike. It really doesn't feel like I'm sat on anything at all. It's oh, this is going to get some getting used to. This is, oh my days. Oh, I don't even know how the camera angle is. There we go. Oh, this is funny, this. That scooter I've just overtook's bigger than this thing. But no, okay, right. It's so light. I do just need to be very, very careful. Like I said, it's not actually running yet. Wow, it's very light and very, very nimble. This will be a great little city bike, this. It is just basic bike as well. There's obviously no heated grips or anything like that. Obviously we'll have ABS on it, but riding position is quite nice initially. I am going to have to jump on the bypass to get home, and I do not know how I'm going to feel on the bypass, because I think I'm going to get absolutely beaten up because there is nothing there. But I mean, it feels so smooth. It's a CBF 125 or CB 125F on steroids. Oh, the amount of fun we can have. But I mean, the dash, it's got everything on the dash. It's got gear indicator, the mileage. I'm averaging 74.7 miles per gallon on this so far. Wee. Oh my god, I'm such a child. I mean, I'm in 4th gear there and it's still got some pull on it. I mean, it feels planted to the ground as well. I'm not even going to lie about that. It does feel planted. Oh yeah, definitely straight up to 50. My biggest thing is I've got to try to remember that I'm not on the Africa Twin. It's not going to have the same pull as that. Saying that, it's probably got a better pull than the Africa Twin. Oh, there you go, Fasty. This little 300's got more pull than my Africa Twin has. But no, it's got a nice road presence about itself. It's very, very comfortable, actually. Really comfortable. But zero wind protection. Go 300, go! Whee! Oh, I'm getting battered. Oh no! Now, what I will say about this bike is this could be the perfect A2 bike. So if you've only got an A2 license, this bike could be the perfect bike for you. Honestly, you can't see my face, but I've got the biggest smile on my face, and I'm not even doing any exciting roads. It is just so much fun. Oh. Oh, I'm getting cold hands though. I will openly admit that my hands are getting cold. I'm sat You feel like you are sat on top of the bike, but I feel like I'm getting used to it already. Whee! 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 Oh, this is amazing. Can I get a higher? Oh my god, it's so thin. The bike feels so thin. I feel like Kay, you know, there's just nothing between my legs. Oh, she's gonna fucking kill me. Right, dual carriageway, national speed limit. I'm in 4th gear, 40 mile an hour. I want to see if I can get by. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, look at that. Easy. There is no problems there whatsoever. There is enough power in this bike to get by on. So if you do need to do an overtake, perfectly easily. I'm calling this now. We need to see Mr. Bruce Smart, aka Teapot 1. You need to get on one of these. Dude, you did the Sinus 125 terrain. Get yourself on one of these. It'll be great content. I think a Sinus 125 terrain is actually bigger than what this bike is. Well, the brakes are fantastic actually. So on the controls, obviously just your basic controls. Got pass light, low beam, high beam, horn, indicators, kill switch and electric start. That is all you need. I'm not even going to lie, I think my Africa Twins only just got a little bit more than what this has got. You don't really need anything more. All these TFT screens and stuff like that, it's just, in my personal opinion, it's just something else to go wrong. A bike should just be able to just start it, ride it and go and enjoy it. And that's exactly what this is. Key in, there's no faff, start the bike, put it into gear, let's go. 50 mile an hour, let's go. Whee! I've been smiling the whole way home on this thing, I really have. This is amazing, honestly. I didn't think a 300 would be as fun as what this is. It's still got plenty of power. I don't know how much power it's got, I'll put that down below right now, but what an incredible machine this is. And it's the perfect, and like I've said, it's the perfect bike for a 17-18 year old person who has done their A2 license and doesn't want to pay too much insurance but still wants to be able to go out and ride. Obviously you'll be able to get aftermarket screens on, aftermarket, you know, you'll be able to get Oxford heated grips on it, you'll be able to put loads of stuff on it, you'll be able to get top boxes and stuff. It is honestly so much fun. Easily do the speed limits that you need to do. It will comfortably sit at 70 miles an hour. Well, the engine will sit comfortably at 70 miles an hour. Unless you've got like a screen on it and stuff like that, I don't think you'd want to sit at 70 for too long. But I mean, the riding position itself is amazing actually, very comfortable. I've not felt one bit of discomfort at all the whole time. The bumps in the road, it's a little bit hard. And like I said, it's very nimble to maneuver around. Oh my god, this is so much fun. I'm riding this at the minute and I would not have thought that this was a 300cc bike. In comparison to Kay's Honda Rebel, you know, she's got the 500. This really doesn't feel much different to that. It really doesn't. I'm riding this and I'm averaging 75 miles to the gallon. That's bloody amazing. I bet it only costs a tenner to fill up as well. So you're going to be looking at 200 to 300. Oh Jesus. Okay, it doesn't handle bumps very well. You're going to be looking at maybe potentially 250 to a tank. That's bloody amazing. Oh my god, honestly, this is like amazing. This really is. You get some aftermarket parts on this, you are set. I would happily go and buy one of these and go touring on it. I really, really would. I think it'd be a right laugh. Get some heated grips on there, because it's currently about 6-7 degrees today. It doesn't, I don't know how you work the machine. It's not saying how hot, what the temperature is, so there's no thermostat on there, but it's about 6 or 7 degrees today, so some heated grips would be nice. And a nice screen just to deflect that wind off of you. I reckon, honestly, you'd be away. You'd have such a laugh. Right, let's get up to 60. Yeah, no problem whatsoever getting up to 60 mile an hour. Not a problem at all. Round the lanes. It handles beautifully, it really, really does. You are just open to all the elements. That is the only downside, but with some aftermarket parts, there'll be no issue whatsoever. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you want to know the specs, I'm going to put them on screen next. So they'll be on there for a couple of seconds, pause it, read the specs. I don't know them off the top of my head. But I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you stay safe. And I hope to see you out there. Bye bye.